Welcome back, folks, to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the topic of the best emergency loan lending platforms. We never know what type of financial crisis we may go through. Sometimes, a car repair may come up, and other times, a medical emergency may happen. To ensure that you don't fall into a deep financial crisis, it is advised to get an emergency loan during these times. Emergency loans are types of loans that can be immediately released by the lenders to the borrowers, and they can use this loan to pay off their emergency troubles such as car repair or medical emergency, etc. In these situations, emergency loans can become a lifesaver to get you out of your financial situation, so let's know more about it. To get to the official website of these lending platforms, follow the links in the description below. Also, stay tuned until the end of the video to learn more about emergency loans. Top 5 Best Emergency Loan Lenders. Now you need a loan and you are in an emergency. So what are the best lending platforms that you can look into? Don't worry, we have handpicked 5 of the best loan lending platforms that can help you get an emergency loan in your financial crisis, and the two, even if you have a low or no credit score. So here are our top picks. Low Credit Finance. First on our list of best emergency loan lenders, we have Low Credit Finance. With the help of Low Credit Finance, you can get loans up to $50,000 even with poor credit scores. Low Credit Finance mainly focuses on repayment plans and competitive interest rates. If you need urgent money during a financial crisis, you can look into the Low Credit Finance lending platform. Also, Low Credit Finance has transparent terms that will ensure borrowers understand the fees and repayment conditions, making them responsible for the loan. Viva Payday Loans. Viva Payday Loans are a great option for people with no credit history or for those who need money quickly with less application process. Viva Payday Loans offer less application time that can be completed in just a few clicks, and they offer loan amounts between $100 to $5,000 with interest rates between 5.9% to 35.99%. To qualify for Viva Payday Loans, borrowers need to be above the age of 18 years, need to have a monthly $1,000 income, and also a bank account. Big Buck Loans. Next on the list, we have the popular lending platform Big Buck Loans. It specializes in providing same-day loans for individuals with bad credit or no credit history. With the help of Big Buck Loans, you can get loan amounts between $100 to $5,000, and they have competitive rates. However, mostly the interest rates will be decided by the lenders that are partnered with Big Buck Loans platforms. Also, Big Buck Loans provide an easy and simple application process that is user-friendly and borrowers can easily navigate through. Super Personal Finder. Super Personal Finder easily connects borrowers with potential lenders across the internet based on the borrower's needs and requirements. Their user-friendly platform and large lending network make comparing loans from different lenders easy and efficient. Whether you need a small emergency loan or a large emergency loan, Super Personal Finder can help you in your financial crises. Also, Super Personal Finder has simplified the loan search process, making it easier to find a suitable financial solution for their needs and requirements. By using Super Personal Finder, you can get loan amounts between $500 and $50,000 faster and easier in a short period. Credit Clock. Lastly, in our list of best emergency loan lenders, we have the Credit Clock lending platform. Credit Clock offers different types of financial services, including personal loans and credit building tools, to help individuals manage their finances better. The application process at Credit Clock is simple in a much easier way. Just fill out the online form with your personal and financial details, specify the loan amount and term, and your application process goes through a verification process. Once qualified, you connect with a potential lender, and your loan gets approved. How to apply for the best emergency loan. Now we know who the best emergency loan lenders are. How can you apply on these lending platforms? Well, the application process is pretty much straightforward when applying at these lending platforms, as these platforms are easy to apply for. Here is how to apply. First, you need to know what your present financial situation is and what type of money can get you out of your financial situation. Now, gather your financial and nationality documents and calculate whether you can get the amount you need or not. Also, calculate how much amount you can get with your current situation. Now is the most important step you need to follow, and it is to select the right lending platform according to your necessities. You need to select a platform that provides a quick application process, easy withdrawal, and also low interest rates. Go to the selected lending platform and fill out the application form with your details and documents that are specified in the application form. You will soon connect with a potential lender who aligns with your loan amount, and you both agree on a long-term amount. check out the details mentioned in the loan agreement and agree to the agreement. That's all done. You just need to wait for the loan disbursal to your bank account. Make sure to check the loan agreement twice before agreeing to it. Conclusion. So, to wrap up all the information, emergency loans can be a lifesaver for borrowers who are looking to get out of their financial crises. You just need to choose the right lending platform, take a loan out of it, use it to pay off your expenses, and make sure to pay the loan off at regular intervals. Make sure to select the lending platform that is mentioned in the video because they have low interest rates and high repayment terms. That's it for today's video. Let's meet with a new video. To get to the official website of these lending platforms, follow the links in the description below.